I'm going to explain to a very simple thing that could possibly be the reason why your Alocasia leaves are having brown spots on them. Check if your plant is sitting in a place where it's not getting the right amount of sun that it actually requires. Try to place the plant where it can see the sky the most, and if the sun will shine on it for more than 2 to 3 hours, use a white sheer curtain to block it. If it's having less amount of light, the plant uses very little water. Even though the soil may seem dry due to evaporation, it doesn't mean the plant is actively absorbing water. If the soil evaporates without the plant taking up water, the lower parts of the soil stay damp, promoting the development of fungal leaf spots or damage on the leaves. Traditional plant care might suggest that the spots indicate overwatering, but it's more likely that you're not watering it correctly. Maybe your plant is not receiving sufficient light for proper watering to take effect. Second thing I would like to tell you about the brown spots on your Alocasia is a fungal disease called rust. It can affect all types of plants, including Alocasia. It happens when plants don't get enough sunlight and when the air is very humid. The initial indication of rust on Alocasia leaves manifests as small spots with colors ranging from rusty brown and red to orange. If not addressed, these spots will enlarge and transform into raised bumpy areas. While the rust on your Alocasia leaves typically won't lead to the plant's death, it can affect plant's overall health. Rust in Alocasia likes it when it's damp, so don't overwater your Alocasia plant and promote good air circulation around your plant. When you notice that some of the leaves are affected by rust, prune the infected leaves and dispose them. Sometimes it gets confusing because there are so many reasons for a single problem in our houseplants. But if you check the soil properly, read the conditions accurately, you will definitely find out what's causing your plants to suffer. If it's having less light, more humidity, your plant can get rust, but if it doesn't get enough humidity, that can also turn the leaves brown, or you may notice dry brown spots on them. Alocasia is a tropical plant and thrives in humid environment. If the air around the plant becomes too dry, it's more likely to get brown spots. Therefore, if you see brown spots on your Alocasia plant, especially in winter, the main reason is probably low humidity. Be careful if you're using cooling or heating for very long periods, as it will completely dry out the air around your Alocasias. You can raise the humidity around the plant by putting cups, bowls, or any other container around the plant, or if you use a humidifier, that would make your plant happy for sure. And if your Alocasia plant gets too much sunlight, it can become bleached, scorched, and limp, resulting in the development of brown spots. Indications that your Alocasia is getting excessive light include yellow or pale leaves and brown spots at the tips of the leaves. Try to avoid direct sun for long duration, like not more than 2 to 3 hours. If the sun is really harsh, like at my place, only give them morning light or indirect light for whole day. If you see yellow spots on your Alocasia, inspect your plant to check for pests. If you find any, take an extra step to figure out the type of pest affecting the plant. Knowing the specific pest will guide you in using the correct method to get rid of it. I hope you got something from this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplants care videos.